Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete files from OneDrive on your PC without any stress. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have Start menu, right click on it and then go to Settings, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to my Microsoft account, click on that, and it automatically connects you to your Microsoft account on the web. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have Microsoft Storage right here. Simply click on here, and it's open up like so. You can simply scroll down right here and then navigate to OneDrive. So click on your OneDrive, and it's automatically load up to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on OneDrive right here. Then it's going to take you to all the largest file that you have on your OneDrive, just like what you see from the screen right here. Now, for you to delete any of the file to free up more space on your OneDrive, you can come by the sidebar right here from the home page right here. You have all the file from the home page. Then next to it here is my files. So the next to it here is photos, all the photos you have in your OneDrive and the likes, and next to it right. So I'm going to close this. So these are all the photos I have in my OneDrive. Then you can come to the next button here is your file, is the file that is being shared with you. And the last one here is your recycle bin. Now, for you to simply delete any of the file, you can delete from your home page or from file. So I can simply go back to my files. So these are files I have right here. So if I need to delete any of the file right here, what I need to do is to simply click on this here. And I have variety options right here. So I'll come to the top. I will simply click on delete. And right here, are you sure you want to send this item to recycle bin? I'll simply click on delete. And you can delete as many as possible files. This is based on the number of files that you want to delete and the number of space you want to have on your OneDrive. Then having deleted it, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to recycle bin right here. And you still have the file in your recycle bin. Next thing you want to do is to come back to your recycle bin, simply select on it, and then what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on delete, and permanently delete. If you permanently delete the .oxy document, you won't be able to restore it. Simply click on delete, and in a few seconds, everything will be deleted without any stress. So you can go on, select different types of file you would like to delete to free up more space in your OneDrive. You are good to go. So basically, this is how to delete files from OneDrive without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.